Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now with me, Priya Behel. It's been almost 6 days since Atiq Ahmed and his brother Ashraf were killed, but there is no end to glorification of the slain gangster. Slogans hailing Atiq Ahmed were today raised in Patna in Bihar right after Friday prayers when a group of people were seen raising Atiq Ahmed Amar Rahe slogans outside a mosque, outside Jama Masjid, being precise, at Patna Junction. They also addressed Atiq as a martyr and raised slogans in his favor. Now, politics has erupted over the glorification of Atiq Ahmed, as this is not the first instance where the deceased Don has been projected as a hero. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav had stoked a controversy while interacting with the media after Atiq's killing, as he used the honorific G to address the leader over there. There were also other leaders like P.L. Punia of the Congress party, as well as those like Ram Gopal Yadav of Samajwadi Party, who in fact wanted a Bharat Ratna for Atiq Ahmed.
The Chief Minister of Bihar, Sri Nitish Kumar, is ready to resort to any law for the sake of Muslim appeasement. If given the free hand, Nitish Kumar will turn Bihar into Pakistan and implement the Talibani law. And what is going on in Patna capital region today? In Patna capital, people shouting slogan in favor of killed criminal Atiq Ahmed. And RJD and JDU supporters all shouting slogan in favor of Atiq Ahmed, and RJD is planning to use this marsiya to unite the Muslims.
ये तो जांच पुलिस प्रशासन करेगी। बिहार में नीतीश तेजस्वी की सरकार है, महागठबंधन की, कानून का राज है, कानून अपना काम करेगा। और ये उत्तर प्रदेश का मामला है, बिहार से इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है। लेकिन हमारे विरोधी इस मामले को हवा देने में लगे हैं। कुछ लोग होते हैं, बहुत लोगों के ऐसे समर्थक होते हैं जो इस तरह के नारेबाजी करते हैं। तो कुछ लोग अपना मीडिया में भी जगह पाने के लिए इस तरह का नारा लगाते हैं या लगवाते हैं। कोई पीएफआई का अड्डा बिहार नहीं बन सकता है। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को तो जो ये सवाल खड़े कर रही है, पहले अपने शासन को देखे। जहाँ जहाँ बीजेपी शासित राज्य हैं, वहाँ कानून को छलनी किया जा रहा है।
Meanwhile, AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi has compared the killers of Atiq and Ashraf to Godse killers.
ये तीनों मारने वाले गोडसे की नाजायज औलाद हैं, क्योंकि गोडसे ने भी गांधी को मारा था गोली से। तो ये गोडसे के जानशीन हैं, और मुझे कहने की इजाजत दीजिए कि ये गोडसे के लुत्फे से पैदा हुए हैं। ये पूरे के पूरे गोडसे के लुत्फे से पैदा हुए। ये तीन लोग टेरर सेल का हिस्सा है। मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, मुझे शक है कि हमारे मुल्क में ऐसे लोग हैं, कितने हैं नहीं मालूम, जिनको ट्रेनिंग दी गई है, जिनको हथियार दिया गया है, और जिनको कहा गया कि बेटे गोडसे का ख्वाब पूरा करना है तुमको।
Now, just yesterday, it was a Congress leader whose videos went viral singing paeans in Atiq's glory, and now another Muslim cleric's shocker has come to the fore, whose heart is bleeding for Don Atiq Ahmed. For Maulana, Atiq attains shahadat. Listen in.
अल्लाह, बहुत रुसवाई हो गई। अल्लाह, बहुत रुसवाई हो गई। अल्लाह, राह चलते जंजीरों में जकड़े हुए दो भाइयों को अल्लाह गोलियों से भून दिया जा रहा है। अल्लाह, इन मजलूम मकतूलों की मग़फ़िरत फरमा, इनकी शहादत का मुकाम अता फरमा, इनकी जिंदगी भर की गलतियों को माफ फरमा, और जिन्होंने इनको मारा अल्लाह बदतरीन सजा अता फरमा। अल्लाह बदतरीन सजा अता फरमा। अल्लाह इनको हो, अल्लाह इनको मरने का हुक्म देने वालों को बदतरीन सजा दे। मुंतकिम, हमने अभी आपको मुंतकिम नाम से पुकारा था। अल्लाह इंतकाम ले लीजिए, अल्लाह इंतकाम ले लीजिए। बेटे को मारा, बाप को मारा, चचा को मारा, अब और पता नहीं किस किस को मारने का प्लान है।
What is behind this sympathy for a mafia and a gangster? To help us understand that, we are joined on the broadcast by Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, who's spokesperson of the BJP, and Ravindra Singh, who's a spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. Ravindra Singh, coming to you first, because several leaders from your party have also tried to whitewash Atiq Ahmad's sins. What do you make of these slogans raised in Bihar in his favor, and then Asaduddin Owaisi making comments that the killers of Atiq were just like Godse, who killed Gandhi?
As a Samajwadi Party, we condemn any activities related with Atiq Ahmad. Modus operandi, we raise question. As far as Atiq Ahmad's killings and the event related to Atiq Ahmad is concerned, it has become a toolkit for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Bharatiya Janata Party is using this tool.
Sorry, sir. I didn't understand on what basis you are saying that, because the Maulana who you heard calling it a shahadat was not from the BJP. The people who raised those slogans in Bihar are not from the BJP, at least not so far that has been established. Why do you think it is a BJP ploy?
I said that we condemn it as a Samajwadi Party. Secondly, we are repeatedly saying that Bharatiya Janata Party is using as a toolkit for the coming election in the Nikai Chunav and the forthcoming election of the Lok Sabha.
How,
and
sir?
It will continue.
How? That's what I'm trying to understand. How?
Listen. Convict, he was not convicted. And person who was transferred on a remand from Sabarmati jail to Prayagraj jail.
Sir?
The live telecast
you
was
don't
made.
have to hesitate in calling him a convict. He was convicted. Just very recently.
See what I am saying? After that he was convicted. That's why I took my word off. So the telecast was on remand, which was the remand from the Sabarmati jail to the Prayagraj jail. He was not convicted, and that event was telecasted for 24 hours on the TV. And if an accused is given so glorified chance on the national televisions,
Okay.
that work for the BJP.
So I get your point. Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, it is not the opposition who's trying to glorify him when they say Atiq ji, or that he was made a mafia by the media. It is the BJP, because it is serving their purpose. What do you have to say in defense?
You have heard the Samajwadi Party spokesperson. I just want to tell, they are the architect of toolkit for the vote bank who made that particular community in vote bank, and they exploited that. And the toolkit was very well working when there is 700 round bullets fired on the Krishnanand Rai, when the Raju Pal, who was the sitting MLA, was gunned down on the roads of Prayagraj, and finally they assassinated even in going into the hospital. That was the Samajwadi Party. When the girls from madrasas was picked and raped and throw them back on the doors, that was the toolkit of Samajwadi Party. They have always utilized this particular community as vote bank, and that is why you must be knowing the name given by you people, MY factor. MY factor. What was the M and what was the Y? Everybody knows. I am adding one more MY. That is mafia MY factor. They are basically the architect of MY factor, and they always think in that way. In my opinion, whatever these people are doing, they are just doing because of vote bank, and they always call Osama ji, Atiq ji, Kasab ji, and Bhatka hua Burhan Wani. They always have got this type of sentiment. And just one line I want to say in Hindi, that माफिया के सम्मान में विपक्ष है मैदान में, nothing else, but this is the truth.
Right. Straight question to you, Ravindra Singh ji. You started by saying कि हम condemn करते हैं समाजवादी पार्टी, तो क्या आप मौलाना सज्जाद नोमानी को भी condemn करेंगे जब वो कहते हैं कि एक oppressed आदमी के against जो किया गया, भगवान उसका, अल्लाह उसका बदला ले, वो तो शहीद है, वो तो शहीद हो गए.
जो कुछ भी अतीक अहमद को ग्लोरीफाई करने के लिए एक्टिविटी की जाएगी, चाहे भारतीय जनता पार्टी द्वारा, चाहे अन्य किसी के द्वारा, उसको हम कंडेम करते हैं. अभी
क्या आपने रामगोपाल यादव जी से बात की है? क्या आपको लगता है कि वो ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हैं अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि सारे केसेस फेक थे अतीक के अगेंस्ट?
अतीक को कन्विक्शन कितने केस में मिला था?
सर, जिस केस में मिला भी था उस केस के बाद भी तो आप उनको बोल ही सकते हैं ना कि वो माफिया हैं और वो फेक केसेस नहीं हैं, और कन्विक्शन नहीं मिला इसकी वजह मुझे आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है। समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार में 1 साल तक तो एफआईआर भी नहीं हुई।
आपको मालूम ही नहीं, असल में तथ्यों को आपकी जानकारी नहीं है।
सर, आप बता दीजिए।
अतीक अहमद को 2017 में गिरफ्तार करने वाले हम लोग हैं। हम लोगों ने 2017 में
सर, अतीक अहमद को राजू पाल की हत्या के बाद टिकट देने वाले भी आप ही लोग हैं।
And you people give him the tickets from your party as MLA, as MP, and your chief minister used to shake hand with the dog, Mr. Atiq Ahmed, and your chief minister used to give the chair on the stage even if he is not invited. And your current national president says to police in the rally, and your supporter is clapping. That is what you have, what image you have in your eyes of the police. That is why the state government, whatever we are doing, it is for the law and order, and state has seen situation of law and order in your.
But Mr. Kaushikant Mishra, before I let you go, आपके भी एक नेता हैं यूपी के जिन्होंने बोला है कि हमने उन्हें ऊपर पहुंचा दिया अतीक और अशरफ के बारे में. So in that context, do you think it is unjustified for समाजवादी पार्टी to say कि आप इसका फायदा उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूर्ण रूप से इसका फायदा उठाने की कोशिश कर रही है।
सर, मैं आप ही का सवाल पूछ रही हूँ, बोलने तो दीजिए।
मैं जवाब देता हूँ। जब से अतीक अहमद की किलिंग हुई है उसके बाद से स्टेट के लेवल पे जो एसओपी है कि इमीडिएट सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑल द पुलिस ऑफिसर्स, एसआईटी हैज बीन सेट आउट, and judicial commission has been established, and we have not done any political
and should defend any killing like this which happened. It is extrajudicial killings. Probe should happen, as is happening by 3 different bodies. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. At the same time, no politics also should happen, neither attempts to whitewash the sins of a mafia. We take a very quick break on that note. All the latest on the other side.